Want to get back on your perch? I can put you down. If you're going to try to eat my... Oh, come on, Paco. You cannot try to pick my nails off. I don't like that. I don't. Want me to go over there and chew your nails off with my teeth? I'd put you down if you let go of the croc. You have to pick one or the other. You have to let go of the croc and I can put you down. I can raise you up closer to your branch so you can actually get on it. You want on your branch? No. I'm kind of stuck to you for a while, I guess. I am disturbed by how strong that one foot is. That's creepy.